Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Cody in Pennsylvania on his General HP40. Cody, got it ready to go for you, bud? Our tune and alignment, as well as the Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade. Let's get right to it. Our power on low, 50 watt slug, 5 watts all the way down, 25 up. Show you average power swing. Low, 50 bird, 250 watt slug and PEP. Low, 125 peak. Let's go over here and look. Fundamental frequency, modulate it. Nice little waveform there for you. Still no second or third order. Looking real good. Alright, Cody, it's ready to come back to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.